A very, very good evening, and I hope everyone is doing fit, fantastic, fabulous as usual. It's always a great feeling, जब भी I'm here or coming online. It's such an awesome feeling. I just even can't express. और काफ़ी गलतियाँ होती है बोलने के टाइम पे, क्योंकि कुछ चीज़ें होती है, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जब हम लोग गेस्ट करके बुलाते हैं तो they're so good, and today we have a guest, Saisha. जैसे आपने सारे पोस्टर्स, सारे क्रिएटिव्स में देखा होगा, साइशा इज़ अ वेल नोन इमेज कंसल्टेंट. She believes in working hard, giving the best of the quality and doing less of publicity. So here we have Saisha for you all. She's already joined here, and खास बात आज ये है कि वी ऑल हैव टू लर्न, इवन आई हैव टू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम हर अबाउट बॉडी लैंग्वेज, अबाउट द एंटायर पर्सनैलिटी दैट वी कैरी, बिकॉज आई थिंक personality is everything. So let's call on Saisha.
I'm waiting for Saisha over here. She's just getting connected. Hello.
Hello, everybody. A very
How are you?
good evening to everybody. All good. I hope everybody else is doing well too.
Saisha, I think आपके वहाँ पे नेट का थोड़ा सा तकलीफ है. Hi, everyone who is getting connected to us. And today we have this lovely lady with us who is going to teach us how to become more lovely. Yeah. So Saisha,
All right.
over to you because
Welcome to everybody.
speak up. You can speak up.
Yes. A very warm welcome to everybody, and let us applaud for this new dynamic stage that COVID, has enabled us to meet over. And my topic for today's discussion is body language. It would amaze you to know that 50 to 80% of what you communicate is other than your words. So even if you do not have a very good vocabulary, you need not worry. Right. Another thing
That's a good
I
one.
want to tell is, I am not sure if everybody is going to agree to it, but the scientific philosophy and the scientific theory says that females are better interpreters and senders of body language. I am not sure if I'm going to live up to this theory, but I just wanted to add this to your information bank.
Saisha, I'm really sorry to cut you right now, but I think आपका वॉल्यूम कम है, थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम बढ़ा सकते हैं आप?
Okay, I will.
Yeah.
Am I audible now? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So for non-verbal communication, I would like to inform that non-verbal communication starts the moment you look at somebody or the moment somebody else looks at you. You have no control over it. You can learn to tame yourself and others can learn to tame themselves, but there is a part of nature and there is a part of nurture to the personality, and we have little control about the nurture thing. You must have noticed people resemble their parents when it comes to their appearance, their habits, and also to their body language. Right? We may inherit a slouchy shoulder, or we may inherit the habit of putting all our weight on one leg while we are standing, or like probably bending from our arms and resting our arms on the table more often. If you wonder where you have engraved it from, then probably it is from your mom or dad or from your forefathers, right? Another thing is, for the non-verbal communication, it starts from your head to your toe. The way you nod your head, the way you maintain eye contact with people, the way your mouth moves, and if you're emphasizing on the right words, if you're emphasizing on the right moment, if you're pausing at the right time, it plays a very important role in deciding the efficiency and effectiveness of what you are trying to communicate, especially for those of you who have joined us to learn the lessons that will help them out in the modeling sessions and beauty pageants and contests, I would like to tell you, yes.
Sorry, but काफी लोग हमारे साथ जो जुड़ेंगे, साइशा, they would be comfortable in Hindi also. So if you can just, because one of our very close person has told us that sir Hindi थोड़ी सी, so थोड़ी सी हिंदी भी हम डाल देंगे. Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Okay. ठीक है. तो बॉडी लैंग्वेज बेसिकली स्टार्ट होता है आपके सर से आपके पैर तक, राइट?
Perfect.
आप जिस तरीके से अपने हेड को मूव करते हैं, इफ सपोज ऑटोमेटिक आपका neck, it is going to not say a yes, right? If psychologically, if you do not agree with somebody, then the most natural human response is that either you are going to control your mind and your head to be stiff, or if you are open to giving suggestions, then probably you are going to say a no. But in no case, the natural tendency is going to be, if there's no here, there will not be a yes here, right? So the head is a very important feature that plays a role in the body language. Secondly,
Right.
the eyes, especially for models, जो modeling की industry के लोग होते हैं, photography से related लोग होते हैं, they have to show that they are confident to face the
So
camera.
basically what you're talking about is the artistic people. You know, all
Right.
the artists. All the
I
artists.
would not
You know?
just confine it to the artistic people, because internet की वजह से and social media की वजह से आने से I think everybody is an artist in some way or the other. All
Right,
the
right.
people who have an Instagram page, all those people who are on Snapchat, somewhere or the other, they are looking for an aesthetic sense in their photographs and their personality, right?
Perfect.
They want to
Perfect.
embody in their real life, but they also want to bring it to the real life. So I feel this is the psychology, and it is universal, especially
Right.
because people from the modeling industry, उनका career इस field में होता है, it is all the more important. But I think हमारी generation से आगे वाली generation जो आने वाली है, उनके उसमें ये naturally आने ही वाले हैं trait. To be very finicky, to be very concerned, and to be very particular कि वो जो बोल रहे हैं, वो जिस तरीके से चल रहे हैं, वो जिस तरीके के फोटोज पोस्ट करते हैं, those will all play a major role in determining their identity. उनकी पहचान इस दुनिया में बनाने में वो सारी चीजें भी मैटर करने वाली.
But tell me, Saisha, there are a lot of times, as you know, when I choreograph, you know, now since we are talking about the modeling industry right now, but specifically ये models के लिए नहीं है, सभी के लिए है, corporate world हो या modeling entertainment हो, ये सभी के लिए it's very important कि it is not only when they are on the stage or the ramp, you know, that they
Right.
have to control their body. You know,
Right.
I think in the normal days also they should, because somewhere I feel
Every day-to-day interaction, the way you
जी.
meet a friend, your body language while you meet a friend shows so much about your mood. That is why we say that best friends, like वो एक दूसरे के बोलने से पहले ही बहुत कुछ समझ जाते हैं emotions.
Right.
आपका friend खुश है तो क्यों खुश है, अगर नाराज है तो शायद something has gone wrong. So that
हाँ.
is the power of body language. And another thing is linguistics, which means words वाला language आने से बहुत पहले हमारे ancestors जो हुआ करते थे, usually जो शिकार पर जाया करते थे या जो घुड़सवार हुआ करते थे, वो
जी.
अपने animals को भी तो समझते थे कि शायद उनके जानवर के साथ कुछ गलत है. If he or she, if the animal is uneasy, uncomfortable तो नहीं है, ill तो
Right.
नहीं है.
Right.
So that is all part of the body language. So the
Body
humans,
language,
they
yeah.
are blessed कि वो दूसरी species से better body language को समझ सकते हैं. It may
जी.
be an advantage and it is also a disadvantage, because unknowingly हम वो भी information दे देते हैं सामने वाले को जो शायद हम छुपाना चाहते हैं.
Right. So now coming to the point, you know, how much it is important to have a self-control over your body. I would use the word self-control over to your body
Right.
and to your expressions.
I think it is as important as the knowledge that you carry in your brain. Because until and unless you have the confidence, there are many people who are book smart, but when it comes to being street smart, they fail. So it is very important कि जो आपका body language है, it should
जी
also reflect the confidence, your capability, and also, you know, the ability that you have to go ahead in your life.
राइट
बहुत सारी ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटीज होती हैं जो एक इंटरव्यू ही आपका डिसीजन मेकिंग होता है लाइफ में. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द जॉब, इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट द जॉब, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द वीजा अप्रूव, और इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट द वीजा अप्रूव. सो यू नो, आज की डेट में हर एक इंटरैक्शन speaks volumes, and you know, it is a deciding factor. It could be a small way and it could be a big way, but every communication is going to depict something about you. So non-verbal communication comprises of around 50 to 80%. So it is
Okay.
a life-changing decision, you know, to
Yeah,
monitor
obviously,
and
because
control your
yeah,
body language is going to affect most of the decision in your life. वो
yeah,
आपकी जिंदगी के फैसलों को अफेक्ट करना ही है. तो हमें
right,
उस
because
बात
because as
को भी
as
समझना है एंड उस बात की गंभीरता को भी समझना चाहिए.
yeah, because as an artist, as a choreographer, as an anchor, काफी बार मुझे भी ये सामना करना पड़ता है कि किस बॉडी लैंग्वेज से एक इंसान आपकी तरफ आ रहा है. You know, are they coming in a friendly way? एक अप्रोच एक फ्रेंडली तरीके से है या गुस्से में है. आई हैव टू यू नो टेक द वाइब, और
Okay.
उसी तरह से मुझे उनको आंसर देना पड़ता है.
हैंडल करना
तो
पड़ता है.
you're so right that body language speaks, I think, around 80%, because एक बार आप इंसान को देखो, you interact with the body
Right.
and then you start talking. So
Yes.
it is always, yeah,
This is another word for vibe. Vibe is also comprised of the body language. हम बोलते हैं मुझे उसमें से अच्छी vibes नहीं आती. So
Yeah.
something from the physical form also speaks volumes about what is going on in the mind. मैं आपको
definitely.
एग्जाम्पल देना चाहूंगी. जब हम स्टूडेंट्स हुआ करते थे, then if
जी.
you know, if you have unfortunately, if you had a teacher who had been very dominant, you would always observe. Now, since we are all mature, if you tend to observe, all the teachers who have been dominating, they also had the habit. वो लोग हमेशा अपने हाथ ऊपर रखा करते थे, right? अगर आप
Right.
इमेजिन करेंगे, अभी भी आपके बॉस अगर आपसे अपने हाथ ऊपर करके बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो आपको ये बताना चाह रहे हैं कि तुम मेरे से नीचे हो, तुम्हारी अथॉरिटी मेरे से कम है, राइट?
Okay.
आज की डेट में जो बॉसेस हैं, सिंस हम बहुत फ्रेंडली हो गए हैं एंड बॉस एम्प्लॉयज का रिलेशन भी बहुत इनफॉर्मल हो गया है, आज की डेट में द बॉस एंड द सबऑर्डिनेट, दे कैन सिट ऑन द सेम टेबल एंड दे कैन टॉक. सो हमारा साइकोलॉजी भी उसी तरीके से काम करता है कि नाउ सिंस द रिलेशन इज फ्रेंडली, द हैबिट्स एंड द एटिकेट्स हैव आल्सो बिकम फ्रेंडली. अगर आपको कोई ऐसा बॉस मिले जो बोले कि अरे यार ये सब कर देना, एंड यू नो उसका हाथ का लेवल हमेशा वेस्ट से नीचे होगा, सो ही इज लाइक, वी आर गोइंग टू गेट एन इम्प्रेशन कि ये कितना लेड बैक है, ये कितना कैजुअल है, इसे खुद को पता है क्या कि हमें क्या करना है, right? So the way we use our hands, the way we use our voice, the way we use our eyes, they play a very major role in our communication.
Now, I would
Yeah.
I would like to add up to this. ये एक क्वेश्चन मेरे दिमाग में आया, पता नहीं कितने लोगों के दिमाग में आया होगा ये, पर अब जैसे आपने कहा, you've said that there might be times that people who are senior, I would not use the word boss, but who are senior to you would use a body language which is much more comfortable for you.
Yes.
Casual, comfortable, friendly, right? We can use those words nowadays. So अगर उस तरह से हम लोग किसी के साथ interact करते हैं, but the opposite person takes it in a wrong way.
Okay.
So
look,
at the same time, I want to learn this from you. That if I am using a body language where I'm senior to you maybe, and then I am very friendly to you, you know,
Right.
तो मुझे आपको bossy nature नहीं दिखाना है, but I want to be friendly to you, but at the same time you take me for granted. तो मैं इस body language को उसमें कैसे ना convert करूं? I mean बोलना मेरा friendly हो, but the body language says that dude, you have to take me seriously.
Okay, so the thing is, probably you could be a very good boss, but at the same time, the seniors are allotted with more tasks, and only a good senior is only somebody जो task करवा सके. So we
जी.
cannot take friendliness out of the equation, because आज की डेट में वैसा नहीं चलता and चलना भी नहीं चाहिए.
जी.
Right? So the thing is, probably I think हमारे employees को भी फिर body language का science पढ़ने की ज़रूरत है, because body language में हमेशा ऐसा बोला जाता है, until and unless the senior prompts, you are not allowed to shake hands. You are not allowed to initiate a handshake. Okay, until and unless the senior does so, right? Also, courtesy says, if both of you are walking, अगर आप दोनों एक दरवाजा खोलना चाह रहे हैं, so the subordinate should always, do the honors instead of वो senior को करना. So हमारी Indian society में there are some things like, हम अपने parents को किस तरीके से respect करते हैं, that is hierarchy and that is the level of authority. तो the same level of authority हमारे में naturally रहता ही है. हमसे बड़े औहदे में कोई हो, हमसे बड़ी उम्र में कोई हो, तो वो level of respect and वो level of courtesy आ ही जाता है. So,
Right.
I think employees should use their diligence, they should use their intelligence, and उन्हें कभी भी अपने senior या directors and management के उसको overrule नहीं करना चाहिए. That is probably what I would say is the definition of a good employee. Somebody who knows the boundaries.
So now let's go on for this topic of discussion where on stage, on ramp, क्योंकि काफी जो हमारे जो लोग यहाँ पे जुड़ेंगे वो as you know they belong to the fashion industry and modeling and stuff, but at the same time we have to look forward for the corporate people also who are joining in, right? So I would just ask one thing is, when you're on stage,
Yes.
okay, as a choreographer I teach them different,
Right.
but as an image consultant you have to tell my people that on stage,
Yes.
when they are just standing,
Right.
बहुत बार questions आते हैं, सर मैं हाथ का क्या करूं?
Okay. So
Where to look?
Right. So for the modeling, for people who are associated to the modeling industry, it is very important कि आपके हाथ और आपके पैर कंट्रोल में रहें, because वो टाइम पे आप लोग, you are always under the vigilance of the cameras, you're always noticed by the audience, and there are some very smart onlookers. हमेशा audience में हमें ऐसे कुछ लोग जरूर मिलेंगे जो वो चीजें भी notice कर लेते हैं जो शायद हमने कभी notice नहीं की हो.
जी.
Right? So the basic idea is you should try to control your body movements. आप अपने हाथ अपने पैरों को कंट्रोल करके रखें. यूजुअली इट इज सेड कि आप दोनों पैरों के ऊपर इक्वल वेट डाल के रखें, so that you are not bending your knees. And for women it is said you should cross your legs and you should cross your arms. Right?
So what is,
there is a specific protocol, which
Okay.
is designated by the stage organizer or by the choreographer. The standard protocol is that you should keep your legs balanced and your arms crossed.
Right. So what is now I need to understand the body language I will talk about. We'll talk about the personality part differently. Right now we'll just talk about the body language. What is the most comfortable body language that you feel is for boys and girls when they're standing, when they're talking casually? जैसे कौन सा हाथ बंद करके पॉकेट में हाथ डाल के या किस तरह? What do you suggest?
The most safe position is to put their hands in the pocket, but you have to keep your thumb out of the pocket. You have to remember that you have to keep your thumb outside the pocket. It is a sign of decency. Okay?
Outside the pocket.
Yes, the thumb has to be outside the pocket. Your fingers could be inside the pocket. Okay.
Okay, boys, you have to listen to this. Everyone who's there and कुछ काफी लोग होंगे जिन्हें सब पता है, पर फिर भी आप थोड़ा सा और knowledge बढ़ा दीजिए that you have to keep your thumbs outside the pocket when you keep your hands inside the pocket. Yeah.
And for women, it greatly depends कि उन्होंने क्या पहना है. If they have pockets or if they do not, if they are comfortable, you know, जो उस dress में वो position में comfortable हो, it should depend on that greatly. But normally, the girls should keep their legs crossed at all times, and they can keep their arms on the sides.
On the sides.
But you also have to remember that you do not have to make a fist. Please keep your hands straight. Your thumb, it should touch the fingers. It should not be very far. Your fingers should not be, you know, swaying. Your fingers should be straight, and you have to look smart. Yes.
Yeah. So, thank you for adding this thing, Saisha, because काफी लोग जो कुछ लोग join हुए जो मेरे last show में मेरे साथ थे और मैं उनको बार-बार कहता था, do not make a fist and stand, do not make a fist and walk, do not make a fist and talk, because that's the sign of nervousness, that you are getting nervous about आप क्या कर रहे हो उसके बारे में आप you're not confident. So please इसको बिल्कुल भी use मत कीजिए. Yeah. Do not use it anywhere. That's not a good sign. So don't use it. Yeah, Saisha, Age. Now, what else do you think everyone needs to understand?
Another thing that I would like to quote here is for people from the modeling industry and from anybody who is associated to the glamour industry, eye contact maintain करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, right? It not only shows confidence. हम किसी की आंखों में आके बात करते हैं, तो it just does not show कि हम confident हैं बात करने में. It also shows कि सामने वाला कितना interested है.
Right, absolutely. Yeah.
And another thing is, आप इसे अगली बार आजमा के देखिएगा. जब आप किसी से आंखों में आंखें डाल के बात करते हैं ना, the pace at which you speak, जिस तीव्रता से और जिस I would say
Energy.
Yes, the energy and the speed. इंसान के माइंड में कॉम्प्रिहेंड करने की क्षमता लिमिटेड होती है. इफ यू स्पीक टू फास्ट देन वी कैन नॉट रिटेन द इंफॉर्मेशन. जब आप किसी से आंखों में आंखें डाल के बात करते हैं तो आपका पेस बोलने का ऑटोमेटिकली एडजस्ट हो जाता है, राइट? वो सामने वाला बॉडी लैंग्वेज इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू गिव यू हिंट्स कि आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो समझ पा रहे हैं कि नहीं, वो इंटरेस्टेड हैं कि नहीं. एंड सामने वाले को ये मालूम चलेगा आपके बॉडी लैंग्वेज से कि आप इतने कॉन्फिडेंट हैं बात करने में.
Yeah, so this goes for all the boys and all the girls. You have to look into the eyes and talk, and do not talk anything but talk sense. वरना हमारे काफी लोग हैं जो आंखों में आंखें डाल के बात करेंगे और बोलेंगे कहीं प्यार ना हो जाए. So you don't have to get into that. But, okay, so what next? Saisha, it's getting interesting now. I really want to know. Chalo, before going in for something else, I would just like to ask you, you have been a part of one of my shows.
Yes. Lumia.
Yeah? So, yeah. Lumia, yeah, with Swarali. So she was also here the other day. Okay. So there is a question for you, Saisha, before we get into the previous thing, that what if there are many judges?
The one who are asking you a question, do you mean it in that sense?
Yeah. No. Who's one? Nikita hai. She's a model. She's done shows with us, and she's also been doing a good number of pageants. So it's her question. जैसे आपने कहा कि आंखों में देख के बात करनी है. But what if there are many judges? Whose eyes do we look into? Nikita, from my side, आपको जो पसंद हो उनकी आंखों में सबसे ज्यादा देखो. But on a professional level, Saisha, you have to give the answer.
I think it is a natural response कि जिसने हमसे क्वेश्चन पूछा होता है हमें उसे जस्टिफाई करना, उसे सेटिस्फाई करना in terms of our answer. You know, it is a natural response. So mostly you should look into the eyes of the judge who has asked the question, but there is no harm in, you know, giving a pleasant smile and just on looking the other judges also. But your primary focus should be the person who has asked you the question.
Okay, and Nikita, this is for you, dear. If at all, there is no question. Sometimes, you just go there and you have to give an introduction, right? And there's no question for an introduction. You just go there, you have to give your introduction and walk back.
Yes.
So what you have to do is you involve every judge who's sitting there. Just make them comfortable.
Right.
Just look at everyone with a pleasant smile and look at every person who's sitting there, but do not look at the audience or the people who are standing aside. Otherwise, Saisha, what happens is, this is what I have noticed, ये मैंने देखा है कि you are my judge, you are the judge who's sitting here and I want to talk to you. What happens is, if I look here, my profile changes.
Right.
The body language changes.
Yes.
So I would rather focus on the judge who's sitting here, because I
Yes.
really need to
It's very
impress the judge
important,
to
and
get
it is
selected.
right. And there is a
Yeah.
tendency, अगर हम audience में देने लगते हैं, more often than not we are trying to spot somebody, right? कि मेरी मम्मी कहाँ बैठी है, मेरे friends कहाँ बैठे हैं, उसमें you lose the very focus of answering. You get
उनको तो बिल्कुल नहीं ढूंढना.
right.
उनको तो बिल्कुल नहीं ढूंढना. दोस्तों को तो बिल्कुल नहीं ढूंढना आप.
Right.
Yeah. So I was talking about the Lumiere thing. So I hope Nikita has got the answer to what she has asked. And Saisha, what all things, I think when I'm teaching, what did you find that you should just tell me right now, जो मेरा body language कहीं पे कुछ up down हुआ हो तो?
I don't think कुछ ऐसा flaw है.
I was waiting for.
In fact, I would like to ask you, because this platform is so new to everybody. This is a very candid, I would say, a live session. I am sure we're all new to technology. In person can never replace the technology thing, but we are still trying the best. But there are a lot of things we become a little nervous when when we are not able to see the audience in person. At least that is my personal opinion. I want to see who is looking at me so that I get the confidence and the approval. Like there must be many viewers who are sitting there out there and judging, but I do not know how interesting they are finding this session to me. So I am getting a little nervous.
Let me cut you and let me tell you, Saisha, people are really enjoying this. I am able to see a lot of messages, which is popping up the screen. I'm seeing a lot of multicolored hearts that are coming up.
Flying around.
So the
love and affection.
Yeah, so love, affection, everything, and people are joining in. That's the best part. So kahin na kahin, we are doing a good job, and especially you are doing a great job. So now there is someone, I think, who's a friend of yours who has given, I don't know if you can see the, can you see the messages coming up?
I can see the messages.
Yeah, so that's the person. I think that's your friend who has given you all the love and kisses.
Wow.
Yeah, see, I told you. Yeah, I started off this session, Saisha, this is the fifth one.
Right.
Yeah, and क्या होता है कि पहले ही सेशन में पता चल जाता है. I'm a very online person. I come live, so I understand a lot of times. I got a very, very positive vibe, positive approach from a lot of people.
Wow, good to hear.
The first session, I think I got around, I have not counted, but I think around 50, 60 plus messages after the session.
Wow.
So that provoked me, I would say, me to take more sessions.
Appreciation and acknowledgement.
Appreciation. Yeah.
Yes.
And the best part is people are here to learn. Right. Even if they know, they are here to increase the knowledge, and this is what we want.
Right. Very true. And I'm so happy to see the number of viewers who are still, keeping up with the spirit of learning, of growing, of evolving. I know बहुत सारे हमारे दिमाग में uncertainties हैं, insecurities हैं about what our future looks like.
जी.
The world that we are going to live in, is it going to be better or is it going to be worse than the world that we have left behind?
It's gonna be
But
beautiful.
right,
It's gonna be
let us
beautiful.
hope, let us hope that this pandemic makes us more compassionate towards each other and towards nature also.
Right. So उसी compassion के साथ आपको आपकी body को control करना है, and you have to approach the people with such
Yes.
compassion through the
Right.
body language. What next do you want to put up, Saisha? What do you want people to know more?
Another thing that I would like to tell everybody, especially the girls, is it is very important that we do not body shame anybody, right? Not even us.
Absolutely. So true. So true.
So body language is something, it is an art that we can imbibe, but the physical, the physique, the features, it is God gifted. If you are insulting somebody on the basis of their looks, if you are insulting God's creation, right? We have all the rights to judge a person's body language, but not the body, I would say.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Fantastic. Yeah. So Saisha, I would now want you to share some experiences that you might have just got. You might, because since you have been taking sessions of image consultancy
Yes.
and body language, there might be questions that has popped up. And क्या होता है कि जैसे यहाँ पे है ऑनलाइन जैसे आपने कहा,
Yes.
some people are concerned कि should I ask this question? Would this be an appropriate question? You know, maybe people laugh at us.
Yes.
So they are not asking too many questions, but I know a lot of people wants to ask it. So just go about it. Saisha, just you have to just excuse me for a minute. I'll just be back, but please continue with that. I'll just join you back. 1 minute. Thank you. Yeah. Your experience, please.
I will quote an incident to everybody who does not know me. I have studied at a missionary school, and I'm not sure how many of you know how the culture of a missionary school is, but you know, we were taught body language, we were taught discipline and etiquettes बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजों के साथ. In fact, I remember a teacher who used to teach us personality development and soft skills. She quoted something जो मुझे आज तक याद है, and I still make it a point कि when I sneeze, I put my hand on my mouth and the nose, and then I sneeze towards the side. But that speaks volumes of how educated and how decent and how courteous you are, right? So the way you sneeze, if you blare out loudly and you let your sneeze go out of control, that is improper body language. That is called no control over your body language. But if you can control your body language during a sneeze, I think you have mastered the art of body language. Another thing that I would like to tell you people is that body language is something that you have little control over, right? What you can do is practice. Practice makes the art perfect, right? Hum bole ki what is the perfect position for somebody to stand? Let me tell you very honestly, there is no perfect position to stand after 30 minutes. Okay? So if you are standing on the stage and if you are waiting for your turn to answer, or if you are waiting for the judges to do the ceremonies and everything, after 30 minutes your body language is going to change, and it is a very natural response. What you can do at the most is you can try to control it. You can be always very cautious about how you are carrying yourself, but there is a natural tendency of lethargy. 30 minutes के बाद आपका body language will start to change if you are standing especially, and even if you are sitting, because your body is, your body needs movement. Movement is it is a part of one's, life. So after 30 minutes, after 30 minutes, your natural body language is going to start, brewing up.
Fantastic. I have missed this, but I'm gonna ask you this, giving you a call directly. That what have I missed? There is, I think, one question from one of our models. That is, what type of personality and body language to have to be in a model? मतलब एक model बनने के लिए किस तरह की personality और body language चाहिए? And there's a compliment, Saisha, ma'am. Saisha, there's a compliment for you. You are very good, Saisha, ma'am. So sweet and soft spoken. Jyoti ji.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
What I would say is the kind of body language and the kind of body that you need to be a model is oozes and oozes of confidence, nothing else. I think we are in a world where we are celebrating freedom, we are celebrating individuality. हमें अब पहले ऐसा जमाना हुआ करता था. It is very important to be fit. मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी कि पतला होना जरूरी है, but it is very important to be healthy. Right?
yeah, girls, please do not give up on your food and just get into the zero figure.
Yeah. And I think if you are fond of eating, just work it out the next morning.
You can just join my sessions. Yeah, I'm taking fitness sessions. You can.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So yeah. So that goes. I think जिन्होंने question पूछा, you have to work out. और ये सभी के लिए है. जब भी एक question का हम लोग यहाँ पे answer दे रहे हैं, that answer is for everyone to understand.
Also,
Yeah.
I would say is if you are anorexic, अगर आप underweight हैं, then आप खुद ही कहीं ना कहीं under confident feel करेंगे. या अगर
Absolutely.
आपको लगता है कि आप overweight हैं, तो आप खुद ही you are going to feel uncomfortable with yourself. So and plus both the sizes, the plus sizes and the minus sizes, both of them have their health implications also. ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ ओवरवेट लोगों को ही बीमारियां होती हैं, अंडरवेट लोग भी बहुत प्रोन होते हैं, उनका इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम कम होता है. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ईट हेल्दी, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ईट ऑर्गेनिक, and if you have confidence and if you have a smile, I am sure you will rule the world.
So ultimately, the bottom line is, if you want to be successful, I would say, in any industry,
Right.
in any, maybe it's entertainment, modeling, glamour, corporate, whatever,
Yes.
you have to work out. Please work out on your body first. Please work out on your body language. Please work out on what you exactly want. If you want to be a model, you have to have a good body.
Right.
Pardon?
I think the beauty of life is to never stop learning. We have to keep learning.
Exactly.
We have to keep evolving with the
Right.
times, with the age, with the society, and with the world.
Yeah,
Right?
absolutely,
So
Saisha. Wonderful, wonderful.
Survival of the fittest just does not apply to animals. It applies to everybody. Right?
नहीं, अब तो बहुत ज्यादा फिट रहना पड़ेगा भाई, क्योंकि if your immunity goes down, we have a friend in the neighborhood, the coronavirus, the COVID. So to keep your immunity high, work out daily, eat healthy, sleep good. This is the best time of your life that you're getting. उसको use करो.
I think बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम इस टाइम को प्रोडक्टिवली यूज करें. आई अंडरस्टैंड बहुत चैलेंजेस हैं फॉर एवरीबडी, फॉर प्रोफेशनल्स, फॉर हाउसवाइफ्स, फॉर किड्स स्पेशली, बट आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट समथिंग जो हमने कभी पहले देखा है, ना हमने कभी ये सब कुछ सोचा था कि every 10 or 15 minutes we will need to sanitize our hands after touching things. But I think we have to adapt, and probably better days are coming soon.
So in a good way, they have given a good healthy living habits. A lot of people never used to wash hands. So ab dhyan rakhe, you have to. Okay. So that's it. Yeah, Saisha, you want to include, or I would now want our audience, our people, to just throw up messages to us.
Right.
People following ethics are said to be boring. Your opinions on this? Yeah, Nikita, you know my answer, so Saisha is gonna answer that.
I am sure Nikita is not talking about parents. She has excluded parents and the family from this, set of people.
I just like this girl Nikita a lot. She's, as I said, she's done a lot of pageants and stuff. The best part is even after doing so much, she's here to understand, to learn, to increase knowledge, and the questions that keep on coming. Awesome.
Right.
So Saisha, your turn to answer.
Yes, I believe the millennials, as we say, the people who are born, in the 2000 and the the years after that, I suppose उनके बारे में बहुत सारे misconceptions हैं जो we need to change. I do not, personally, I would never think that following etiquettes is something uncool. If you believe that following etiquettes is uncool, then probably, your upbringing needs some reform and your mentality needs some reform, because it is not only the scriptures. सिर्फ हमारा धर्म हमें नहीं सिखाता है, हमारा कर्म भी हमें यही सिखाता है कि etiquettes, डिसिप्लिन, इसको अपनी लाइफ का पार्ट बनाओ, बिकॉज इम्बैलेंस किसी भी चीज का इज ऑलवेज हार्मफुल, राइट? जिस तरीके से पानी अगर कम होता है तो वो ड्रॉट लाता है, ज्यादा होता है तो वो फ्लड लाता है, उसी तरीके से ह्यूमंस में भी every emotion needs to be balanced. And the moment you let the fame or the money get over your head, then I think nobody can save you from devastating. Right?
Yeah. So I hope she's getting all her answers and she's all set to ask you something else. But before that, Seema, also a very well-known person, has asked you how can we hide nervousness on this ramp?
I think nervousness on the ramp can only be hidden by a lot of practice that you could do in front of the mirror at your home. It is a practice that can only come with patience, and in order to develop patience, it is very important. It is not an overnight activity. You cannot grow confidence in a day or two. So just, it is important that you have that confidence within yourself, and then, it is going to automatically reflect. If you want, you can go through a lot of articles, you can go through experiences and journals and blogs of people about how they have overcome. But I think when there is a will, there is a way. अगर आपने ठान ली है कि you are going to be confident and you are going to love the work you do, then I think there's no looking back. There is no need for you to be underconfident or nervous or skeptical. Just shun away all the negative thoughts and
Seema ji, next time in my show आप एक पेजेंट में आओगे, you will be a participant again, और आपको question answer round करना पड़ेगा, so आपकी nervousness निकल जाएगी.
खत्म हो जाएगी. Right.
Yeah. So Anuja is asking, sir and ma'am, lots of time we talk with positivity way, but the people in front, they are getting very talk in negative way. So how to talk and how to feel them comfort, as in simple words, when we talk positively, people are taking you negatively. So she wants to ask कि किस comfort level पे उनको हम बात कर सके. Anuj also knows my answer, so Saisha, it's your turn.
I think there will always be people who will say कि glass आधा भरा है and glass आधा खाली है. It is up to you to decide कि which party you want to join, and once you are in the party, I hope आप positive side पर हैं and you always see the the better and the best in whatever you have in hand. So I think after a point you can try to change somebody's mindset, but there are limits to it.
Right.
आप किसी और के दिमाग में जाके बैठ के उनका हृदय परिवर्तन नहीं कर सकते. So the thing is, if there are toxic people, if there are toxic relations, after a point you should give it your best shot. But if things don't work out, then it is time for you to just let go.
Anuja, for you, बेटा आप यहाँ पे हम कोई भी, ना मैं, ना आप, ना साइशा मैम, ना कोई भी यहाँ पे दूसरों को खुश करने के लिए नहीं है.
Right.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सबसे पहली, सबसे बहुत जरूरी बात है, बहुत जरूरी बात इधर रख दीजिए, आपको खुश होना है. You have to be happy. So if someone is not happy with you, it's okay, it's their problem. Right? You're not here. Yeah.
What I feel is, perfection in fact is only a perception. जो चीज आपके लिए perfect है, जरूरी नहीं है वो और किसी के लिए perfect.
Absolutely.
We have to stop living for others and we have to lead, life on our own terms.
Right. So if you're happy, you think you're positive और सामने वाला negatively ले रहा है, तो एक बार समझाइए, दो बार समझाइए, तीसरी बार do not even bother. Just peacefully walk off. उनको जब समझेगा वो वापस आके बात करेंगे आपसे. Right? Yeah. So there is Purva. I think Purva is here. पूर्वा का पूछना ये है कि मैं जब वॉक करती हूँ बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट होती हूँ, बट इंट्रोडक्शन देने के टाइम पे नर्वस हो जाती हूँ, तो क्या आप बता सकते हैं मैं इसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए?
आई थिंक इफ यू गेट नर्वस बात करने में, बट अदरवाइज आपका बॉडी लैंग्वेज काफी कॉन्फिडेंट है, सो आई थिंक समवेयर और द अदर आपको अपनी लैंग्वेज के ऊपर इम्प्रूव करने की जरूरत है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद आप कहीं एट द बैक ऑफ योर माइंड ये सोचते हैं कि दूसरे लोग जज तो नहीं करेंगे, मैं जो बोल रही हूँ वो दूसरों को बुरा तो नहीं लगेगा, या मैं करेक्ट इंग्लिश और हिंदी और मराठी तो नहीं बोल रही हूँ. आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं वो लैंग्वेज में आपको लगता है कि आप डेफिशिएंट हैं, विच इज व्हाई यू थिंक कि बोलने के टाइम आप नर्वस हो रहे हैं.
एब्सोल्युटली. पूर्वा, जैसे कि पहले सेशंस में हम लोग ने इस बात के ऊपर वी हैड डिस्कस कि लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ बैरियर. प्लीज उसको आप दिमाग से निकाल दो, पहले सबसे पहली बात. सेकेंडली, अगर वो लैंग्वेज आप चूज करें जिसमें आप कंफर्टेबल हो, ओके, सो दैट आई कीप ऑन रिपीटिंग दिस. इफ यू चूज अ लैंग्वेज जिसमें आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो, आप मिस्टेक करोगे. जब आप मिस्टेक करोगे आप फंबल करोगे. जब आप फंबल करोगे तब आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लूज होगा एंड यू विल मेक वन मोर मिस्टेक. राइट? सो प्लीज डू नॉट गेट इनटू इट कि इंग्लिश यूज किया तो हमें पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे, मराठी में बोला तो नहीं होगा कुछ. ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. प्लीज यूज अ कंफर्टेबल लैंग्वेज. वन मोर रीजन दैट यू आर नर्वस ऑफ, Purva. As a choreographer, I have seen a lot of people getting nervous on stage while giving the introduction. Is they do not understand, Saisha, how to hold a mic.
Okay, right.
How to hold the mic, where to keep the other hand, where to have a look, किसको देखूं, किसको ना देखूं, कहाँ देखूं, कैसे स्माइल करूं, माइक कैसे पकड़ना है, हाथ का क्या करना है.
Right.
So now for this, one simple suggestion from me.
Right.
When you do a show, I'll repeat this again. When you do a show, please see to it that it's not only said grooming and choreography. आपका grooming वहां पे बहुत जरूरी है. This comes under the grooming section.
Right.
A choreographer has to groom you, how to stand, where to look, how to hold a mic, everything. If you keep on doing some kind of stupid shows, ये आप कभी सीख नहीं पाओगे. So please try and learn these things, okay? And Saisha, at the end of the session, I would like to know this because someone has asked me, I can't say the name. Someone has asked me कि मैम पूरे कोर्सेज लेते हैं या क्लासेस लेते हैं क्या इमेज कंसल्टेंसी के लिए या पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, यू नो. सो यू हैव टू गिव दोज डिटेल्स अबाउट द एंटायर थिंग. Right? So any more questions that we are looking out for? Yes, Seema ji, definitely. Meenal has asked us, my height is 5'3", is it okay for modeling or more height is required? Meenal, अगर नहीं हो, मैंने कहा कि height और चाहिए तो क्या आप बढ़ा दोगे? Are you gonna increase your height right now? Meenal, we had discussed this. I think आप उस time पे नहीं थे, so I should repeat this. Saisha, I would like to answer this question.
Yes.
Yeah. There are a lot of fields in modeling. Firstly, ramp है, commercial है, print है, stage performances का भी एक है जो आजकल नया चल रहा है. I don't think a lot of people know this, but वहां पे height requirement नहीं होता. ठीक है. फैशन शोज में हाइट रिक्वायरमेंट होता है क्योंकि जब एक डिजाइनर ड्रेस डिजाइन करते हैं, दे हैव स्पेसिफिकेशंस इन माइंड, यू नो, कि मैं ये एक लड़की जो 5 फुट 7 इंच है या 5 फुट 8 इंच है, उनके लिए ड्रेस डिजाइन कर रही हूँ, you know. So I think for them there is a height requirement, but you do not get you know, upset about it. बहुत सारे जगह पे आपकी हाइट एवरेज है और यू कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द मॉडलिंग इंडस्ट्री 110%. प्रिंट एड्स में आपको काम मिल सकता है, आपको कमर्शियल एड्स में काम मिल सकता है, वो भी मॉडल्स ही है. So you can do that as well, right? So don't worry, lot of opportunities are there, right? Important to get let go sometimes. Yes, you have to. और कुछ correct language. या पूर्वा, जैसे कहा था साइशा मैम ने, करेक्ट लैंग्वेज यूज करना बहुत जरूरी है. सो यू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑन दैट. आई थिंक you need to practice. A lot of people do not practice. Yeah, that is the problem. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, Saisha, you want to before we end the session,
Yes.
you know, जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे है,
Yes.
I would just like to add one thing, and Saisha, I would invite you also for the next session that we are going to take.
Okay.
And this session is being taken by one of the very, very well-known person.
Wow.
Okay, on the 9th of this month, that is 9th of June.
June.
We will be trying for Facebook also. पर अगर Facebook नहीं हुआ तो Instagram तो हम यहीं पे है ही, on a live session with the person. And I know all the people out there, you know this guy, you know this person, and he is awesome.
Wow.
So be there. I will just update you soon कि कौन है. Yeah?
Okay, waiting.
Yeah, you have to be there, Saisha, because
Yes, I will be there.
yeah, I've just requested him a lot, and he's ready for the session now with us.
Okay.
So
Great.
yeah. So now, Aditi, if person like me is less talkative, it is important to talk all the time in particular? Yeah, please keep talking na. ऐसा थोड़ी लग रहा है. बात करो Aditi. Okay, Saisha, please answer.
I think it is not very important to talk all the time, but because, you know, if you talk all the time, then probably you're going to end up talking nonsense, and people are going to, you know, before people tell you to shut your mouth, then I think it is very important. At least I am an introvert. I do not talk unless and until I'm asked to, or until and unless it is very important to give my suggestion. So I think talking all the time is not a very good justification to prove the confidence. Talk sense and talk smart.
So Aditi, you got the answer. Talking less, telling you, you got the answer.
Yes.
Okay?
But I
Yeah.
would say, even if you keep your mouth shut, please keep your eyes open.
Yeah. And ears also.
Right.
So you can understand, you can absorb, and you can know what is going around.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So any more questions before we end these sessions? We have still 5 minutes left over here, so we can end the session there. And if you have any questions, कोई भी questions अगर आपको पूछने हैं, you can please ask. Saisha, what would you want more people to understand about something that has never come to you, and you want to really share this with everyone? जो
I think
आपने
it is
shows
very
में देखा होगा.
important. I think it is very important that you are confident. You know your facts well. आप जो industry में जाना चाह रहे हैं, try to make the most of all the resources that you have. Try to master the art of, you know, the profession that you are getting into. I know perfection is a myth. There is nothing like perfect, but also at the same time we have to keep growing. Right? Especially in the glamour industry, something that worked 10 years ago, it does not necessarily work now. And आप जो आज सीख रहे हैं वो जरूरी नहीं आज से 5 साल बाद काम आए. So you have to learn with the times. Time के साथ change होना सीखिए. I think that is, you know, that will keep you on the top of your career. Right.
Superb. Yeah. So guys, please keep learning. I'm learning a lot with every session. क्योंकि काफी guest आते हैं. They give their experience, they give their knowledge, and you have to learn. Or thank you, Saisha. You have been here. I've been learning a lot from you. There is one question which is here from Anuja. I think we should answer it.
Elders ask, okay.
Okay, I'll just if I had a query, I ask questions, but sometimes elders they talk that इसको बड़ों की respect करनी नहीं आती, and our elders ask के बड़ों को questions नहीं करते. अरे बाप रे, ओहो,
I
बाप रे.
think asking questions is a proof that आप उनकी बात सुन रहे हो. अगर आप उनकी बात सुन रहे हो तो जाहिर सी बात है आपके दिमाग में भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस होंगे. आप किसी के बच्चे हैं, but you have to understand. I think the parents should also understand कि we have a mind of our own. We are one complete person. So, you know, I think your parents or whosoever you are talking about, उनको आप प्यार से समझाइए कि वो क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में आया है तो उसके पीछे क्या लॉजिक है, आपके क्या इनसिक्योरिटीज हैं, क्या डाउट्स हैं. So I think God bless both of you with patience. Lots of patience.
Okay, now we have why Meenal. मीनल का क्वेश्चन था कि जब वो रैंप पे होते हैं, आई थिंक व्हाट वाज द क्वेश्चन, मेरे को क्वेश्चन दिख नहीं रहा है. हाँ, जजेस सबसे पहले क्या नोटिस करते, कॉन्फिडेंस या आईज? अरे बाप रे, आई वुड से कॉन्फिडेंस इन द आईज.
True.
Yeah, your question.
I think it is a matter of perception. The more the eyes, the more the more parts to make the decisions, I suppose. It is a very personal decision कि आप इंसान में सबसे पहले क्या नोटिस करते हैं. But I think the body language, if you throw the first good impression, I think your task becomes easy.
Okay, so अनुजा का
prepared in all the senses कि judge क्या notice कर ले,
so अनुजा का आंसर मिल गया है दोनों को, पेशेंस. और आई थिंक मीनल का आंसर था यहाँ पे. और एक है कि at times people feel that I am rude because of my tone. Yeah, so क्या करना चाहिए? Being rude to them because of my tone, how can I deal with it? Oh God.
I think there are हमारी इंडियन सोसाइटी में इतना वेरिएशन है कि हम अगर किसी से बात करते हैं, अगर पंजाबीज and Gujaratis, they're known to be loudspeakers. They are very loud whatever they do, but that does not mean that they are rude, right? तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारा कल्चर भी इस चीज को अफेक्ट करता है, हमारे इंटोनेशन को अफेक्ट करता है. बट आई थिंक देयर इज नो नीड टू गेट ऑफेंडेड. अगर किसी को बुरा लगता है, आई थिंक दे शुड क्लैरिफाई, या उन्हें उस बात को जाहिर करना चाहिए कि मुझे ये बात बुरी लगी है, तो तुम प्लीज बी माइंडफुल ऑफ इट आगे से, राइट? बट सिर्फ अगर इफ यू मीन कि लाउड होना मीन्स तेज आवाज में बात करना, देयर इज नो जस्टिफिकेशन कि वो किसी को बुरा लगना चाहिए.
नहीं, पर यहाँ पे साइशा, आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू ऐड समथिंग.
यस,
I always say this. There is something what we all forget is acceptance.
Yes.
Yeah.
True.
So
sometimes we speak loud to prove our point, but
right.
I think that is illogical.
No, it is not about खुशी का सवाल ये था कि उनके टोन की वजह से लोगों को लगता है कि वो रूड है. So खुशी पहली बात सबसे कि if at all you feel that आपके बहुत सारे close friends है या family है जो, I think this session is gonna end or what? मुझे टाइमिंग का आ रहा है 20 सेकेंड्स रिमेनिंग, तो आपको उन लोगों का जरूरी है समझना ये बात कि दे आर टेलिंग यू दैट आपका टोन खराब है, तो प्लीज वर्क इट आउट. इफ एट ऑल एवरीवन इज टेलिंग यू आपका टोन खराब है, तो यू हैव टू वर्क. नॉट एवरीवन कैन